So Professor Liu is going to teach you introduction for the pointer. This is a very, very important concept. This is very, very important concept. Okay, so pointer. Every variable is a variable is a memory location. We know that already. Then the memory location has an address defined. All right, so we also know that. Then the address, you want to access the address, use ampersand. All right, so this is what we do right here. If I have integer score equal 5, and if I put ampersand score, and I will get a hex number like 5 and C whatever. What you get is a location. So type the missing operator to see the. So I have integer fish equal 5. I only want the address. I don't want 5. I only want the address. I type this. Can you type ampersand with me, please? All right, so why is that? That's very important. A pointer is a variable with address of another variable as its value, because we're going to do a huge number transition in the internet. And when we transit the number, we really don't want to transit the real number. What happened is lost. So we use the address to do this. Okay? We use the address to do this. So a pointer is a variable with the address of another variable as its value. In C++, pointer help make certain tasks easier to perform. Other tasks such as dynamic memory or location cannot be performed without using pointer. So you usually get hexadecimal number for that. Okay, and we do it. What is a pointer? What is a pointer? Can anybody answer me for that? A data type contains the address. All right. So again, a pointer is a variable, and it's like any other variable. You must be declared before you can work on that. All right. If you want to get the value from that variable, you use asterisk sign. Asterisk sign. Asterisk sign. First, asterisk sign to declare variable. So integer IP. So the IP is a variable. Is a pointer. Maybe IP address, right? So now double DP. That this is a variable. So DP can be used as a pointer. It's going to contain only address. FP is a float. All right. CH, all these are pointer. So if you want to have a variable and this variable only contain address, for the future use to transition data, you need to put the asterisk in front of this variable's name. So your Visual Studio understand that, okay, I'm going to put the address for that. So I want to type a missing symbol. If you want to use PTR, this variable, you want to reserve this variable in the future to transition address. What you need to put right here, son, everybody, girl, anybody. You put what? Asterisk. Yes, you have to put like that. So, okay, I know you want to do as a variable right now. So, right here, this is how we do it. So, integer score is 5. All right, score pointer is a pointer. And I'm going to assign the score's address for that. So this is a silly example. In the future will be an important information, password, or a large amount of money need to transit. I'm not going to put on the internet for anybody to get it. So I'm just going to use the address for that. So I have a variable right here, but I'm going to assign a pointer for that. And I put the address in that, so in the internet they go transit and it's safe. The code above declare a pointer to an integer called score pointer, assigned to its memory location of the score variable using the ampersand for that. Okay, then let's try it right now. So I have an integer variable is 5. Okay, now I am going to use, so in you know, pretend that integer 5 is contain the top secret of United States. You don't want to anybody know that. You want to use a pointer to point that. So I have to create another pointer. So I use ampersand for that. Is that right? And I'm going to give the address of this top secret to that. So the address of top secret is this. All right. So in the future, we just use PTR to go through everything. We don't want to go through the real top secret. Understand that? All right.